Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the boot order on this laptop. In order to do that, first make sure that you have a bootable USB device connected to your laptop. Then what you'll have to do is turn on the laptop by pressing the power key until the power indicator starts glowing right here. Then start pressing F2 key until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. Now, using right arrow button, navigate to boot menu right here. Then using down and up arrow keys, you can select the priority order options. Select one of the options, and then to move it down the priority order, press F5, and to move it up, press F6. To apply settings and exit, press F10 and enter. And to discard changes and exit, press Escape and enter. And that's it. Now the device that was higher in the boot priority order will boot. In my case, it's Windows. So my device will boot up into Windows. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.